Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at our latest feature, the delivery and pickup module. Really relevant in today's world with the COVID-19 going on. So let me get right into it and show you how this works. This is the back office view. This is where everything is managed by the admins. It's also the admins are also able to manage it within their apps. But let's take a look at the back office. Over here we've got your settings, time zone, date format, time format. Pretty straightforward. We've got drivers here. You're able to add different drivers. You can have multiple drivers. Over here you can view their tasks. You can also delete them. And to add a driver, you basically start typing in someone's name, what their name is, and you can see all the people that populate with those things and select the driver and hit the add button. Okay, the tasks, the orders, deliveries and orders are handled here. Your open task list will be here. Your completed list is here. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at how we add a task. There's two ways we can do it manually. Either there's phone orders coming in and the admins can do it manually through the back office or through their app, and we'll go through all the apps in a few minutes as well. So we're going to look at the back office first. An order comes in, it's either going to be delivery or pickup. So in this example, I will go delivery. I will select from my user database. Let's pick this person. I will enter an address. Now this is the delivery address. This is the pickup address. Okay, so let's go here. We will go enter. Actually, this is wrong. Okay, so we'll take that one. If you have a unit number, you can enter that here. The delivery address will go here. Okay, again, unit number is available. We've got the calendar right here where you can pick a date. I will put today's date, and let's put the time at it's military time, so 2, 3, 4, 4:15. And then I'll assign the driver. So if you've got multiple drivers, you can have, you'll see a list of drivers here. So I'll assign this driver. And then you can also put some notes here. Okay, and the driver will see that. So I hit the add button and you will see this delivery task pop up on the open orders list over here. And let's take a look at now what it looks like from the driver's perspective. So now I'm into the driver's perspective, and again, you can put on your home screens. You can map it out with a delivery button on the home screens. We'll get that in a second. But this is what the driver sees. Here are the details. It's picking up from this location, going to this person at this location. Okay, I'm able to hit the start button. This is will keep track of my time. If I click over here on the arrow, I will be able to see further details. Click on this, and this window pops up. Again, I'm looking at the driver mode here. So it's delivering to this person at this address. Here's the notes. A driver is also able to add notes himself right here. Okay, and you can see a map. They can see the map view as well. They'll see their completed tasks over here. If I click that, there's a couple of completed tasks right here. And then come back to my open task. Now I'm going to hit the start button on this, and we'll look at it from the perspective of the user, the customer. So I've hit start, and when I'm completed, I can hit the deliver button. But let's look at what it looks like from a user's perspective. Okay, so now I'm looking at it from what a user would see. It's showing me my delivery. If this was pickup, obviously it would say pickup. But it's showing me 15 minutes, and this is dynamic. As the driver moves closer toward the endpoint, this number will change. It'll show you how many minutes till they're actually there for you. It gives you your driver information right here. I'm able to click a button and call the driver. I'm also able to see where the route on the map. Working on trying to get this to be dynamic so you can see where the driver is, but as at this moment in time, it's not, and you're able to see the route. And here's some notes. As soon as it's done, this is dynamic. This is a countdown. Okay, I'm also able to click on this button to see my completed deliveries. So that's what the user will see. So now I'm logged into the app via the admin credentials, okay? And you can see what I see in the back office over here. I'm able to see right here as well inside of my app, and I'm able to do exactly what I can do in the back office through the app. I can see the open tasks, and I can assign these things to specific drivers. I can view and edit. I can add notes. I can mark as completed. Okay, so the tasks are handled here, the drivers are here, and the settings are here. So all of the stuff that you can do in the back office, the admins can do right through their own version of the app, which is a fantastic feature. They don't even have to log into the back office. All of this can be handled here. right through the mobile app, and each user ID has its own permissions and privileges. So you log in as a customer, you see one view. You log in as a driver, you see a different view. You log in as the admin, you see the third view. So that's a quick overview of what is coming down the pipe. This is pretty close to complete. The one thing that we did not speak about is what I haven't shown you yet, is the automation with the food ordering system. So let's take a quick peek at that. So here's the web view of the food ordering system. I'm just going to put delivery. Let's order some pasta. Sure, this works for me. I will go to checkout and I will enter my name, jack2@gmail.com. 1, 2. Okay, nope, no instructions. And I will select payment method here as cash because I want to not really make a payment for this demonstration. I will hit continue. Now once this order is placed, it will automatically come into the food ordering system, which we'll take a look at. So I'm going to hit the continue button here. You'll see my name, jack2@gmail.com is the email address, and hit continue, confirm, and let this do its thing. Boom, that's done. Let's look at the back office. So here we are back in the back office, and there it is. There's my order that just came in. So this is now a delivery, or this is a pickup. I apologize. You can see right here it's scheduled for pickup, and you're able to assign it if you need to assign it to a driver or not. So the customer will be able to see this as a pickup, and they'll be able to see what time their order will be ready and completed at. Perfectly easy to use. Again, like I said, you can do this right inside of the app or the back office, but it's automated with our food ordering system. A great tool for small businesses in today's environment, especially restaurants and the local small businesses. I think this will be really effective for them. I'm looking forward to hearing some feedback.